Hello students, today we are going to see the chapter 1 rational numbers example 2. So they have given the problem that we need to find out the multiplication of these 4 terms, that is minus 4 by 5 into 3 by 7 into 15 by 16 into, and within the braces they have given minus 14 by 9. Okay. So let us take the left hand side and try to solve the problem. So no need to worry about the braces what they have given here. Okay. So just as simple as that of you need to know the tables, right. So what are all the terms you can cancel, those terms you can cancel out and you can find out the final answer. So this is a simple way to do this problem. So here we have numerator 4. So we have 16 here using the 4 tables. You can write that 4 into 1 4 and here 4 4s are 16. Okay. And then any other terms in the 4 table in the numerator, no, you can leave that. Then you can see about the denominator 5, any terms in the numerator with the 5 tables, yes, it is 15. So 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. Okay. Then coming to the second term, here I have numerator 3, any terms in the 3 tables we can check in the denominator. So here it is 9. So 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. And then coming to the denominator term of your second term, we have 7 here. So any numerator term we have to check with the 7 tables. Here it is 14. So 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. Okay. So no need to worry about your negative sign and all. Just you determine about the tables and try to simplify the given terms. Okay. So first 2 terms is over, and here also again I have, now it is 3 by 4, 15 by 16, now it becomes 3 by 4. Any other things to cancel? Yes, it is. So when I see the numerator 3, here it is 3. So 3 3 I can cancel, 3 1s are 3, again 3 1s are 3. Okay. And then coming to the denominator term, here it is 4, here it is 2. So again I can use the 2 tables, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Okay. So any other simplification? So there is no simplification. Why? Because numerator all the terms it becomes 1. Okay. So here I have first term I have, right. So first term, what is the term I have? It is minus 1 by 1. Okay. Second term I have 1 by 1. Third term I have 1 by 2. Fourth term I have negative sign here. So use that as it is minus 1 by 1. Okay, so you have to carefully choose your signs, whether it is positive or negative, use it properly. Okay. So numerator I have here 1 minus, here 1 minus, other terms under positive, we can leave that. So minus into minus it becomes plus, right. So you have a thing called minus into minus, which is nothing but a plus sign, right. So totally plus and again plus into any plus, it becomes plus. So numerator it becomes plus sign. 1 into 1 1, again 1 into 1 1, again 1 into 1, it is 1. Denominator similarly all the terms are positive, so no issues, it will be a positive term in the denominator. Again 1 into 1 1, 1 into 2 2, 2 into 1 it is 2. Okay. So final answer both are positive, so no need to mention if it is positive sign, just you can write 1 by 2. Okay. So this is the final answer for this problem. Okay. So just you need to find out the product of this term. So it is nothing but 1 by 2. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for watching.